Hi guys, good morning. My name is Akbar. Welcome back to my channel. So let's start the journey of learning AI, okay, artificial intelligence. So let's ask a couple of questions to ClaudeAI, to ChatGPT, to Copilot. Now let's understand what is a generative AI, what is the AI agents, what is agentic AI. When I'm telling these three terminologies, so when I'm asking a question to ChatGPT, when I'm asking question to Claude AI, when I'm asking question to Copilot, all these are considered as a generative AI because you are asking a question to the ChatGPT, to the Claude AI, to the Copilot. There is no dedicated agent here. In generic, it will go back to the database. It will go back wherever the information related to your query. It will fetch the data. That's all it do. There is a no dedicated agent is involved. When I say agent, agent is a specific who are all trained, untrained agents, generic agents, common agents. There's multiple agents are there. Okay. So let's understand what is a generative AI and let's ask question to all the three AI tools here. What is generative AI? Please answer in one line and share some suitable real-time example. Okay. Now the same question I will ask for Claudia. The same question I'll ask to Copilot. Now, apart from this, let's ask what is AI agent? Let's copy this second line here. Mm, What is AI agent? Please answer in one line and share one real-time example. Okay. Now, after AI agent, what I have to do? What is agentic AI? Please answer in one line and give some real-time example. So the better we ask questions, we'll get an answers. So my questions are common. What is generative AI? What is AI agent? What is agentic AI? Okay, let's ask questions. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say here. Just remember my previous statements. If you are interacting with AI tools like a ChatGPT, ClaudeAI, Copilot, they are considered as a generative AI. When I say generative AI, based on your query, it is fetching the data from the database. That's all. Generative AI creates. Example, write a Python script. AI agent does. Restart my AWS instance. Perfect. That's perfect. Agentic AI thinks, plan, does. Plan my Europe trip within 2 lakhs. Book flight, hotels, create a daily itinerary and email everything. Here thinking is involved, planning is involved, budgeting is involved, decision skilling is getting involved. The way the human thinks is just a restart activity. You no need a specific instructions here. You need no need of a memory here. But here, your memory is required. Thinking is required. Decision making capacity is required. That's a perfect example what we have been got an answer. What is a generative AI? Creates. Write a Python script. If you ask, it will write a Python script. That's it. It's a ask. Nothing involving of any agent here. When I say AI agent, give a specific task and that specific task has to perform by a specific person. Then in that case, replace that person with agent. That's all. If you have a L1 people who is doing a daily restart, in that case, you can do the job by using AI agent. That's all. You can do the job by scheduling also. It's a different story. But in case of AI agents, restart my AWS instance, log into the server, check the server is running or not. Whatever the case it is, stop and start. So this is what it does. Either if it is running, either it is stopped, it doesn't matter. It just simply restarts. You don't think about it's already running. I should not restart. No, it will restart. That's it. Because you have already given an instruction, it is going to perform. That's it. Now coming to agentic AI, thinks, plan, does. What is the most important thing for this thinking action? Memory. Memory plays a very, very important role here. In AI agent, there is no memory. In AI agent, there is no decision making capacity. When as soon as you say action, it performs. That's it. It is running, it is stopped, it doesn't matter. Whereas in case of agentic AI, it going to think, it going to plan, it going to take an action. Does means action. Plan my Europe trip within 2 lakhs. Up and down flight tickets, what is the suitable dates, booking a flight, booking a hotel, a particular action within a particular budget based on your timings, convenient time, you have to provide all the required inputs. Then this will be considered as all the concept of generative AI, agent and agentic AI. In case of agentic AI, you need a memory. You need to think, you need to plan, and you need to action. Here only action. AI agent does only action. It won't think. It won't plan. That's it. One line answer. Generative AI creates a content. AI agents perform task. And agentic AI plan, reason, completes complex workflows, autonomous, using one more AI agents. Perfect example, okay? Let's go to ClaudeAI and ask the same question. What is the ClaudeAI is going to do? And let's parallelly generate here also. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see, we have seen previously here what the ChatGPT has answered, given an answer to my questions like what is a generative AI, give some real-time example. We have seen here, it will create a Python script, it will do some specific action once you say go ahead and agentic AI, a specific task that involves thinking, planning, action. All these things need a memory to understand what the inputs has been given and think based out of a result and then take an action. Okay. So agentic AI does that. So we got a response from ChatGPT. Let's see this, what is happening in generative AI. The same question, whatever I've asked here in ChatGPT, I've asked the same question to generative AI. This is how you need to explore. This is how you need to learn the technology. Okay. You just need a paper, pen, and time and spend some quality time in front of YouTube. That's all. What is generative AI? AI that creates a new content, which is a text, images, code, audio from a prompt. Real-time world example, ChatGPT Claude. You type, write a birthday email for my friend. and it generates a ready to send email instantly, one prompt, one output, no further actions required. If you give the requirement, it will fulfill the requirement. Okay. Now, what is the AI agent? AI that perceives its environment, decides, take action using tools like API or code to complete a goal. What is the example that he has given? A customer support AI agent. Like, you got a call. Every time you have to call a new members and ask, do you need a loan? So we regularly face these kind of issues in our day-to-day life. Imagine in terms of a business perspective, agent has to call a new customers and ask, are you interested in loan? Just a simple question, yes or no. In that case, you go for agent. When you use when you raise a refund request, it checks your order history, verifies eligibility process and refund process via API and emails. This is an example which is given by ClaudeAI. Okay. So a customer support agent, when you raise a refund request, if you're not happy with the product or you're returning the product, all these things. Next, Agentic AI. AI that automatically plans, orchestrate multiple agent tools and execute long multi-step workflows at minimal human involvement. Okay, what is an example given here? AI software engineer given build a login system. It plans task, write code, run test, flexes bugs and deploys, coordinating multiple tools over hours autonomously. So these examples, and whereas a ChatGPT examples, let's see the example of Copilot. Definition of one line. Generative AI is artificial intelligence that creates a new contents. Okay. The Claude and Copilot giving the same definition, like creating a new text, images, all those things. ChatGPT write escapes, Dell E generating artwork from text prompts. Okay. Now next, AI agents. Definition, one line. An AI agent is a system autonomously performs a task, makes a decision on behalf of a user, AI models and rules. Srini or Alexa acting as a personal assistant to set reminders, answer to the questions. So what is the example of ChatGPT has given? Write a Python script. Here, what is saying? No, restart of AWS instance. Sorry, my bad. AI agent, yeah. Here, is setting up reminders, answer questions, control smart devices. Now, agentic AI. Definition of a one line. Agentic AI is AI that only generates outputs but also takes initiatives, plans, and execute multiple steps. Example, Auto ChatGPT Copilot autonomously researching, coding, deploying solution. What is it? What is here? It plans to Europe trip. And what is here? Build a login system. So as part of if you give this task to developer, they'll try to build a API endpoints to login system. It plan task, write a code, run test, fixes bugs and deploys, coordinating multiple tools over hours and automatically. So like this, you have to explore. So in generic, what you need to understand, what is generative AI, what is the AI agent, what is agentic AI. I hope you are very clear on this concept now. Generative AI means you are asking a query and you are getting a response. That's all. Either you can ask for a text, images, code, anything, it will generate. AI agent, it doesn't need a memory, but it will do the task, but it has been assigned to it. Agentic AI needs a memory that needs to think, plan, does. Plan your Europe trip. Okay. I hope this is very clear. I am going to document this, all the steps, and put it in a document so that it will be very clear for you. It just need that what you need to ask. That's all. So what you need to learn is what is generative AI, what is AI agent, what is agentic AI. Just ask these questions. That's all. I'm going to share in my video about in the description section. You can go ahead and acquire the knowledge. So I would appreciate your support. Please click on like and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with a new content. So I'll be learning AI in my journey. I'll be asking questions to ChatGPT, Generative AI, Claude AI, all the tools, and we'll be exploring AI. And whenever I'm doing some research, I'll make some videos for you guys and put it across. Let's learn together AI. Happy learning. Welcome to the world of AI. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Please click on like and subscribe my channel to make some more quality content videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.